Prayer is to observe God. The God whom we worship is Spirit.
Amen.
We can obtain God through prayer.
Amen.
In order to obtain water, we must drink. In order to obtain air, we must breathe. And in order to obtain sound, we must listen. If we want to obtain God, we must pray.
Amen.
Hence, the first meaning of prayer is to obtain God.
Amen.
Pray is to contact God.
To pray. We need to pray for the work. We need to pray for the church. We need to pray the gospel, friend. Secondary lang yun.
Amen.
Ang pinaka-importante, ba't kailangan natin mag-pray? To absorb God.
Amen.
God is outside, but when you pray, God gets inside of you. Amen. Yun ang sabihin ng prayer. Siksipin ng Diyos.
Amen.
Amen. Kaya every time we hear prayer, the God outside of you gets inside of you.
Amen.
Amen. So, yun ang reason why whenever we come to the meeting, galing tayo sa trabaho, galing tayo sa bahay, minsan galit tayo kasi dahil sa mga anak natin, dahil sa trabaho natin, pumasok, dumating sa'yo sa meeting. Why we want to start prayer first? We start, before the meeting start, we want to pray because we want to absorb Him. Amen.